Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be another all things home video. We are going to be updating my office. We're currently in my office now. It's a little bit of a hot mess. We had an IKEA order come in. We need to do a little online shopping. RG's putting a stamp on me. But yeah, we have a lot going on in this video. I want to start decorating for fall, putting out some pumpkins. I want to do a little craft, a little painting. It's going to be a lot of stuff in today's video. A lot of good things, a lot of fun things. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to see another all things home video, then please just keep on watching. Thank you.
Towel.
Yeah, because I might want to get down on the floor and I want to protect my knees. All right, you guys, so we are currently in the garage. It's a mess. I should probably angle this a different type of way, but it is what it is. Like, this is just the reality. So what we're going to be doing today is painting these vases. I don't have too many things in the house that I can really like decorate. Like, I really just don't have that much stuff yet in my house. It's obviously still very new. So I figured we could paint some vases, maybe put them on like the mantle or our media console or just different places to kind of make it feel a little bit more fall. I got these colors up here because you're probably thinking, what does a painted vase have to do with fall? I got these colors to kind of mix together and we can experiment and kind of create like, I don't know, like a terracotta, like a brown, just to give it like fall vibes. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be mixing this with baking soda. I've never done this before, but I figured, you know what, let's just try it. Why not? So that's what we're gonna do today. I also have some pumpkins. Like, I have fall decor from years past. So maybe I can put some pumpkins out with the vases. Maybe I can go get some flower picks later today. We'll see, not too sure.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel?
Okay guys, so these are the vases. They're all painted and I think they look so much better. They all look very cohesive. Once I put flower picks in them, some pampas grass, some wheat sprigs, I guess. I think it's gonna look really, really cute. This is just the first layer. So it looks like some places I'm probably going to have to go back over and do a second layer, like the inside of these two over here. There's some streaks over there and this one as well. I thought painting over the yarn would be a good idea. I don't think that it was. When it dries, I might cut that off and repaint. I don't know, we'll see. But for right now, I think they're looking really, really nice. I'm gonna check on them later today and see how they're drying. And then maybe this afternoon, we can go get some sprigs and spruce these up a little bit, put out some pumpkins. Okay, so now that the painting is done and I did not get a splash of paint on me, it must be my lucky day, I don't know, but I wanted to show you some new furniture that we got in from Restoration Hardware. I'm so excited and I want to show you all the TVs as well. Everything is really looking so good. Okay you guys, so this is what it looks like when you first walk in now. We have our sofa table, which I showed you before, but now we have a media console and a TV, which is showing blue on camera. I don't know why it looks so blue. I swear it's like beige and white, but anyway, so this is probably my favorite part. I'm so excited about this. So we have our our media console. Our TV arrived. This is the 75-inch and the media console is 100 inches and we still have so much space. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do like a tall plant over here and then, I don't know, maybe like an accent chair someplace. I don't know, we'll see. I'm obviously gonna get a rug, coffee table. It is not done. I feel like I need to say this every single video because I get comments about, you need this, you need this. You guys, I'm not done. Go easy on me, okay? Like, this is the beginning stages. I think that's why you all enjoy these videos, is because I take you all along on the process. So I'm literally only showing you 2 new things. That's it, I am not done. So the 2 new things are the media console and the TV in here, and I'm so excited. That's probably not gonna stay there. I just was putting things out just to see, just to vibe it out. But yeah, I love it. I'm so excited about this TV. So this is the Samsung frame TV. I think it looks really, really nice. We still need to get a bezel to go around this one, and I think it'll really pull it together. Okay, guys, and I wanted to update you on, let me close this, RG's room. Okay, so I pretty much showed you all this in the last video. Sorry if you can hear RG, but we decided to put these pictures here and the mirror right here. Also, I wanted to clarify, this is secure to the wall. You can't pull it but so far. You can't slide it but so far. Like, it's secure on there. I don't think I really made that clear, but we obviously are gonna secure it to the wall, you guys. So anyway, we are gonna put up these 2 picture frames. We still have to do that one, obviously, but this is what it's looking like. I changed out the curtains, and I think it's hard to see, but I think I'm going to actually change these out one more time. I don't think I'm 100% satisfied with them. I mean, they're okay. They're a little short, but I don't know about the color. I was thinking about doing white. We're not gonna do like baby blue or, you know, that's not it. And then when you come in here, we have our TV. It still looks very blue. That's so weird that the camera's making it look blue. It's definitely white and like a sepia color on the inside. I don't know if you can tell, but anyway, so you'll see on this TV, we have the bezel, the beige bezel going around. We need to get one for downstairs. This is a 65-inch, and I think it looks really, really nice with the space. So this is what our TV looks like. And then over here, I got my chair. Finally, let me move my robe out of the way. But finally, I got my glam room chair. I'm really, really excited about this. I feel like it looks so much better over here in the space. It's just very like whimsical and soft with the curtains, and I just really, really like this. I will have everything linked down below, as well as some dupes, and oh my gosh, hair. Whoops. Okay, so I will have this linked down below, as well as some dupe options. I really tried my best in the last video to include a bunch of dupes for pretty much everything that I shared, and you all really seem to like that. You guys, I find the best dupes. Like, I don't mean to like toot my own horn, but beep beep, because my dupes are on point. Like, I was so surprised at like how many amazing pieces that I could find for really affordable prices. So definitely check out the description box. If you want to check out these items, I will have them linked down below, but I will also have dupes for them down below as well. Okay, and then if you come into the playroom, you'll notice that we have a TV over here. This is another 65-inch. We are definitely going to be getting a couch to go like right here facing the TV. The playroom is a mess because the babies were just in here going in. I don't know if you heard them in the last clip, but they were going in. So this is what the playroom is looking like. A hot mess, but the TV is what's new, and I'm excited. I think it looks really, I mean, it's a TV, so I'm just excited to watch it in here with the kids. I'm excited for the holidays. I'll have our couch right here with some Christmas pillows and then a Christmas tree for the kids to decorate, and I think it's gonna come together and be really, really cute. Okay, you guys, so the babies are asleep. Well, it's quiet time, so you know how that goes. Brielle is asleep. Archie's watching stuff on his iPad, probably Moana. This is his iPad time, but anyway, I wanted to bring you all into my office. So this is the mess area. That's my office, but it's fine. That's donation clothes. I need to get that out of here, but this is the before. So what we're going to do is, in my closets, I have have so much just stuff. Okay, it's not just stuff. It's things that I actually use. It's like crafting stuff. You all know I love me a good little crafty DIY moment. I'm not like a pro, but like on a smaller scale. I like doing like crafts with the kids, and I used to be a teacher, so I still have some of my like teaching supplies, like just random staplers and scissors and post-its and things like that. So it's all in these plastic containers, but I really don't like the way this looks. It doesn't inspire me to get creative. It honestly just stresses me out, like just seeing all this stuff. It's organized. The bins are organized. I will say that. I categorized everything, but I just don't like the way it looks. Moving on, then we have this drawer. So this is from IKEA. Random stuff up here, like books and things like that. Like I just want to do a better job of organizing. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm really excited to get this looking good. So yeah, let's get started basically. Rob.
Yo.
You ready to do this?
Do this.
We're gonna be organizing my office. Roberto is gonna be helping. What?
Not ready.
You're not ready?
No,
What?
we need to get the toolbox because, of course, IKEA never has all the tools you need. So you have to have some of your own. Like a screwdriver, maybe a hammer, like a clamp.
Ooh.
You never know. So I'm just gonna get the toolbox.
Okay. So while Rob is getting the toolbox, I'm gonna show you what we ordered from IKEA, and we're gonna check on, let me switch my shoes. We're gonna check on the vases, the vessels. I feel like I need the vase. Our vases, our vase. I don't know what to call it, but anyway. Okay, this is what they're looking like. You guys, I really like them. I don't like the way the inside looks, but okay, so this is what it's looking like. I think it looks really pretty. I think it's definitely an upgrade from the white and the gold. I'm not gonna put it on there now because it's not 1000% dry. Rob, look what I did.
Oh, that was good.
You like it?
Yeah.
But I think that's gonna look really nice. Like that is like the tones. Like that is so pretty. It's such a mood.
All right, you guys. So right now I'm getting ready to put together some IKEA furniture. So let me just show you what we got. You see my wife back there going in. She got a
Really going in.
second career coming in pottery. White Alex drawers, self-explanatory. That was really heavy. Another set of Alex drawers. I'm assuming these are all gonna stack on top of each other. That's why they came in 3 different boxes, right? No? Okay. Oh, what do you know? We have a third set of Alex drawers.
You guys, so I put another coat on the pots over there. We're just gonna let them air dry, obviously. Oh my gosh, this garage is like a mess. Please don't judge us. It is what it is. We just moved in, right?
Yeah.
We just moved in. Okay, so I'm gonna look through some of these bins over here on this side. I have my seasonal home decor over here, and I'm gonna look through and get out my fall stuff, see what I have. Maybe I can get just like a couple pumpkins up. Not gonna go crazy. We don't have a fall wreath, so that's something that I'm on the lookout for, but let's open this bin up and see what we have. I know it's not perfect. This is not, you know, like a finished house, so it's hard for me to decorate for fall, but I did the best that I could. I'll probably end up switching some things around, like on the daily. I'm probably gonna rearrange this. It's definitely small for the space, I know, but I don't have that much, you guys. Like, I donated a bunch of stuff, and our old house was a lot smaller, so the scale of my pieces could be smaller, but now in this house, it looks incy wincy. So I'm working on that. But just to have a little bit of something going on in the house for fall. I really like how this mantle turned out. So if you have been following for a while, then this mirror should look very familiar. Actually, wait, is it not centered? It's not 100% center, hold on. Okay, so I needed both hands, but I really like how this turned out. Again, it's just for the season. I think it looks really pretty. I really like how I painted this. I thought about cutting the rope off, but I was like, you know what, it's fine. Gives it a little bit of texture, it's not that big of a deal. And then I have this gold vase down here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. But again, you guys, it's just to kind of cozy it up a little bit because it was just feeling very bare. And seeing a mirror above this, although this is not gonna be the forever mirror, seeing this mirror, I'm so glad we didn't put a TV above the fireplace. Like, I just feel like a mirror just complements it more, just looks a little bit more styled and put together, and I really like this. Coming over here on the media console, I just have this vase right here that I painted and a gold bowl, some pine cones. The pine cones are from Hobby Lobby. Again, you guys, this is just like a little kiss of fall. It's starting to feel like a home now instead of just like an empty, bare house. Slowly but surely, it is coming together. So that did not last long. I rearranged this and I like this so much better. I mean, not that it's like a drastic difference, but I know it's like ahead of time, but I'm excited to transition this to Christmas, which I know I'm like jumping ahead, but I'm trying to decide. Okay, this is really what I want to know from you all. I want your opinion on this. Is what side do you think I should put the Christmas tree on? Should I put it over here? Should I put the Christmas tree here? That seems like it would block the walkway to get to the workout room. But you let me know. Should I put it over this way? Maybe over here? Should I put the, no, that would be weird, right? To put the Christmas tree here? I don't know. Like, where should I put it? I know I'm kind of thinking ahead, but I'm just excited. So let me know. I was left unsupervised in Target, I'll just say that. RG and I went in, Briella and Rob were in the car, and I got to have a lot of fun. So, not that I can't have fun with Rob, but like, you know what I mean, like ladies, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I wanted to show you what I got. So the first thing I got are these two pillows. I plan on putting these on the couch. So let's see. This is like a real life moment. Rob is cleaning up. I can't find the light. What else is new? Okay, so these are the pillows. Are they by Threshold? Yep, Threshold. That's like my go-to. Super cute. You guys, I was also looking online at a mantle mirror, and I think I found one, oh my gosh, a sock. I can't. I think I found one on CB2. So I think I'm gonna go with that one. It's really, really like thin because this frame is like pretty thick. Like, I don't know if I love that. So the frame is actually really thin. It's like an infinity type frame. So I think I'm gonna go with that one. The pillows, I like this. Okay, this is actually random. It has nothing to do with the home, but this lotion, okay, this lotion is so good. The weather is getting colder. We're headed into fall, winter, cool months. You need this. It's the Nivea body lotion, essentially enriched 48-hour nourishing moisture with almond oil. You guys, this stuff is gonna leave your skin so soft and so hydrated. I love it. And then Rob uses this.
Good old faith.
I don't even have to say what this is, you know. And then I got some shears. So I have curtains, which I don't even think I updated you. Did I update you? Okay, I have a video pre-filmed that I'm waiting for brand approval on that's gonna go up after this one, and I'm gonna show some curtains in that video that I purchased. I ended up returning because they were way too yellow. Not yellow, but they were like way too warm tone for the room. So it's for my office. I got these shears. And I plan on doing curtains and then shears behind it just to give it a more like elegant but cozy look. So I got these shears. The only thing is, tell me it's one panel. It's one panel.
Again?
I don't need no roses on my bed. I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closer. Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me,